View, Edit Bills. Click Get Paid and Pay and select Bills. Scroll down to the bill which you want to edit. Now click the drop-down menu on the Mark as Paid. Then select View and Edit. Here, you can edit the date, address, and details. Then click Save and Close. Duplicate a bill. Click Get Paid and Pay and select Bills. Scroll down to the bill which you want to edit. Now click the drop-down menu on the Mark as Paid. Then select Duplicate. Then you'll be taken to that bill. There you can change your details like vendor name, etc. Click Save Close. Delete bills. By following the same way, you can delete the bill that was entered wrongly or due to some other reason. For unpaid bills, go to the Unpaid section and locate the bill you want to delete. For paid bills, move to the Paid section and locate the bill you want to delete. Keep in mind that deleting a paid bill will also affect any previous records associated with that payment.